or about 11% of the world's population. Europe is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and the Black Sea is connected waterways. Europe is a peninsula that lies fringed by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Mediterranean. College ka na! Europe is the world's second smallest continent by surface area, covering about 10,180,000
Jem!
square kilometers.
Jem!
And about 6
PRE, CIA. Di mo ba ako kilala, Jem?